To attract someone to a place or person.
Draw. Draw. He's an excellent speaker who always draws a crowd.
To move in a particular direction, especially in a vehicle.
Draw. Draw. The train slowly drew into the station or drew in.
To become nearer in space or time.
Draw. Draw. Her birthday's drawing nearer every day.
A series of things that happen one after the other.
Chain. Chain. A chain reaction.
When you first see or hear about something or someone.
Sight. Sight. It was love at first sight.
A rise in the amount or size of something.
Increase. Increase. Price or tax increases.
To be able to see, hear, or understand something.
Distinguish. Distinguish. I couldn't distinguish anything in the darkness.
When you see someone or something.
Sight. Sight. The sight of so much blood had shocked him.
Made by a famous or fashionable designer.
Designer. Designer. Designer jeans or sunglasses.
To make one person or thing seem different from another.
Distinguish. Distinguish. His great skill distinguishes him from the rest of the team.
To have control over a place or a person.
Dominate. Dominate. He refuses to let others speak and dominates every meeting.
To recognize the differences between two people, ideas, or things.
Distinguish. Distinguish. It's important to distinguish between business and pleasure.
Relating to medicine and different ways of curing illness.
Medical. Medical.
Medical advice.
Used to emphasize that a feeling, quality, or state is completely and only that thing.
Pure. Pure. Pure coincidence.
The area that it is possible for you to see.
Sight. Sight. I dare not let the children out of my sight in this park.
A flat, round shape or object.
Disc. Disc. The dog had a small, metal disc attached to its collar.
A small amount of something that shows you what it is like.
Sample. Sample. A free sample of chocolate.
To make a situation succeed again after something bad caused it to fail.
Rebuild. Rebuild. They had to rebuild their lives after the accident.
To make someone notice something or someone.
Draw. Draw. Could I draw your attention to item number 3 on the agenda?
To hope for something very much.
Pray. Pray. We're praying for good weather for tomorrow's cricket match.
A small number of people from a larger group that is being tested or considered.
Sample. Sample. A random sample of voters.
To consider the facts of a situation and make a decision about what is true, correct, likely to happen, etc.
Draw. Draw. I'd seen them together so often I drew the logical conclusion that they were husband and wife.
In a willing way.
Willingly. Willingly.
He would willingly risk his life for her.
Extreme surprise.
Amazement. Amazement. She stared in amazement.